Introduction Hook. Imagine downloading an entire Netflix series in less than 1 second, or having real-time holographic communication with someone on the other side of the planet. This is not just science fiction, it's the promise of 6G internet. As 5G slowly spreads across the world, researchers and tech companies are already working on the next revolution, 6G. In this 2-part series, we'll explore what 6G really is, how it works, and how it will reshape industries and daily life. This is part 1, where we'll cover the foundations, the definition of 6G, how it will improve on 5G, and the early applications already being imagined. Section 1. What is 6G Internet? 6G stands for the 6th generation of wireless technology. It will succeed 5G just as 5G replaced 4G. But 6G won't just be faster internet. It promises to change how humans, machines, and even AI interact. Speed. While 5G offers speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, 6G is expected to reach 1 terabit per second. Latency. 5G brought latency down to about 1 millisecond. 6G could reduce it to microseconds, meaning near-instant communication. Frequency range. 6G will use terahertz, THz spectrum, much higher than 5G's millimeter waves. This allows more data to travel at once. Section 2. How 6G will be different from 5G. 5G is powerful, but 6G will take things to another level. 5G, built for faster mobile internet, streaming, and smart cities. 6G, built for AI-driven automation, holographic communication, space internet, and human-machine fusion. Think of it this way. 5G gave us smart devices. 6G will give us smart worlds. Section 3. The early research on 6G. Even though 6G is not expected until around 2030, research has already begun. China. In 2020, China launched the world's first experimental 6G satellite. South Korea and Japan. Telecom giants like Samsung and NTT Docomo are leading research. United States. The FCC has opened TH spectrum bands for experimental use. Europe. The EU's Hexa-X project is coordinating global 6G research. Billions of dollars are already being invested into making 6G a reality. Section 4. Key technologies. Behind 6G, several advanced technologies will power 6G. Terahertz waves allow ultra-high data transfer speeds. AI integration. 6G will be built with AI at its core, optimizing networks automatically. Quantum communication for ultra-secure data transfer. Satellite internet integration. 6G networks will connect seamlessly with low Earth orbit satellites like Starlink. Holographic communication, enabling lifelike 3D holograms for meetings, entertainment, and even education. Section 5. Everyday applications of 6G, early stage. What will people use 6G for? Immersive VR/AR. Instead of Zoom calls, imagine holographic meetings with lifelike avatars. Smart homes and cities. Ultra-connected infrastructure optimizing energy, water, and traffic in real time. Autonomous cars and drones. Instant communication between vehicles and smart roads for zero accidents. Healthcare. Remote surgery in real time, with doctors controlling robots across the globe. Education. Students attending virtual classrooms with realistic holograms of teachers. Section 6. Challenges ahead for 6G. Of course, building 6G won't be easy. Infrastructure cost. Countries will need trillions of dollars to build the networks. Spectrum issues. Terahertz waves have short ranges and require new antennas and towers. Security risks. Faster networks mean faster cyber attacks unless secured with quantum encryption. Digital divide. Rich countries may adopt 6G early, while poor nations struggle to catch up. Section 7. Why 6G matters for the future. 6G is not just about speed. It will power the next era of digital civilization. From healthcare to education, from entertainment to defense, everything will run on hyper-connected intelligent networks. Section 1. The global race for 6G supremacy. Just like with 5G, the development of 6G is not only about technology, it's also about power, politics, and global influence. China. Already leading in patents and research, China aims to dominate the 6G industry the same way it did with 5G. United States. American tech giants like Qualcomm, Intel, and Google are investing heavily to stay ahead. South Korea and Japan, known for their early adoption of telecom technologies. They aim to roll out 6G by the late 2020s. Europe. The EU is funding collaborative projects like Hexa-X to avoid falling behind. Whoever controls 6G infrastructure could control the future flow of information, just like oil controlled the past century. Section 2. The role of AI in 6G. Unlike earlier generations, AI will not just use 6G, it will help run it. Self-healing networks. AI will detect and repair network issues instantly. Traffic management. AI will allocate bandwidth depending on real-time needs, from hologram calls to autonomous cars. Personalized connectivity. Devices will receive optimized signals depending on user behavior. This means 6G won't just be faster, it will be intelligent. Section 3. Military and defense. Application 6G is not just for consumers, it has major implications for national security. Battlefield communication. Soldiers could share real-time holographic data on enemy positions. Autonomous weapons. Drones and AI-powered defense systems will rely on ultra-low latency 6G. Space defense. Satellites and space assets will be integrated into the 6G network. The risk? 6G could fuel a new digital arms race. Section 4. Privacy and surveillance risks. While 6G brings benefits, it also raises serious concerns. Surveillance state. Governments could track citizens in real time with millions of connected sensors. Data overload. With so much personal data flowing instantly, the risk of misuse increases. Hacking threats. Cybercriminals could use 6G's speed to launch faster and more powerful attacks. Without proper safeguards, 6G could become the backbone of global surveillance. Section 5. 6G and the future of work. The workplace of the 2030s will be unrecognizable. Holographic offices. Forget Zoom. Meetings will take place with realistic 3D holograms. Remote robotics. Engineers, surgeons, and factory workers could operate robots from thousands of miles away. Global job markets. 6G will erase borders for digital work, but also increase competition worldwide. Some jobs will vanish, but entirely new industries will be born. Section 6. 6G and human AI merging. Perhaps the most futuristic aspect of 6G will be how it connects humans and machines. Brain-computer interfaces, BCI, direct communication between the human brain and the internet. Wearable and implantable tech, smart contact lenses, neural implants, and health monitoring chips. Digital twins. Every person could have a virtual copy of themselves in cyberspace. This could revolutionize medicine, education, and creativity, but also challenge the definition of what it means to be human. Section 7. Potential dangers of 6G's. With every great technology, 6G comes with risks. Digital divide. Rich countries may progress while poor countries get left behind. Overdependence on AI. If AI controls the network, what happens if it fails or is hacked? Loss of privacy. Our lives could become fully transparent to corporations and governments. Health concerns. Though not proven, the use of TH waves could raise health questions. Weaponization. 6G could enable advanced cyber warfare. Section 8. Opportunities and benefits of 6G, but on the positive side, 6G could unlock incredible possibilities. Curing diseases. With instant medical data and robotic surgery, healthcare could reach anyone, anywhere. Climate solutions. AI-driven sensors could monitor and reduce carbon emissions in real time. Global education. Holographic teachers could bring quality education to the poorest regions. New entertainment. Hyper-immersive VR worlds where people work, play, and socialize. In short, 6G could create a truly connected planet. Section 9. Timeline of 6G development, 2023-2025, research and early testing. 2026-2028, prototype demonstrations and experimental networks. 2030, commercial rollout of 6G in advanced countries. 2035 plus, global adoption, integration with AI, robotics, and space internet. We are less than a decade away from the biggest leap in connectivity in human history. Section 10. Final thoughts: 6G is not just another G in the series of mobile networks. It represents the dawn of a new era where humans, AI, and machines are all connected in real time. It has the potential to cure diseases, revolutionize education, and connect the world like never before. But it also carries the risk of surveillance, inequality, and digital warfare. The future of 6G will depend on the choices humanity makes today.